Hey guys, I'm Gaurav and we will continue the question and answer series of Transfer of Property Act 1882. Let's start with the question number 26. Which of the following are immovable property under the Transfer of Property Act? The correct answer is the equity of redemption, hurt, and mortgage debt. Fourth is not correct, so the right answer will be 1, 2, 3. So the option B will be right answer. The test to decide whether something attached to the earth has to be regarded as immovable or not depend on any one of the following. It will depend on the degree of mode of annexation and the object of annexation. So the correct answer will be option D. Let's move on to question number 28. The question number 28 said, according to the section 3 of Transfer of Property Act 1882, instrument means non-testamentary instrument. Let's move on to question number 29. Attested in relation to an instrument means and shall be deemed always to have means attested by at least two witnesses. So correct answer will be option B. Attested in relation to an instrument means attested by two or more witnesses. This is correct. If each of the witnesses has seen the executed sign or affix his marks to the instrument is right. Each of the witness has signed the instrument in the presence of the executant. More than one of the such witnesses shall have been present at the same time is wrong. So the correct answer will be 1, 2, 3. So option B is the correct answer. Let's move on to question number 31. The attestation of document means the correct answer of this question is option D. Both the attesting witness seen the executant sign or affix marks and receive from the executant a personal acknowledgement of his signature. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move on to question number 32. An instrument of transfer is attested validly where the right answer will be instrument is signed by two witnesses who have seen the executant signing the same and who sign in letters presence. Question number 33. Which of the following section of Transfer of Property Act define notice? Notice is defined under section 3 of Transfer of Property Act. Basically, section number 3 of Transfer of Property Act deal with the definition which is covered under Transfer of Property Act. Some definition like notice, attestation, something you can go with the section 3 from TPA Act. The Privy Council decision in Tilakdhari Lal versus Khetan Lal relates to it relates to section 3 of Transfer of Property Act. Notice. Question number 35. Under the Transfer of Property Act 1882, a person is said to have notice of the fact when he actually knows the fact is the right answer. Question number 36. Transfer of Property Act does not contemplate actual notice, implied notice, notice in transaction, imputed notice. Notice in transaction under Transfer of Property Act does not contemplate. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move to the question number 37. Which one of the following is not constructive notice? A gross negligence leading to a fact, registration, actual possession, and definite knowledge. Definite knowledge is the right answer of the question number 37. Let's move to the question number 38. Property is a comprehensive term and includes copyright. This is the correct statement. Transfer of Property Act deal with all kind of property including patent. No, this is not the right answer. So the option A is right and R is false. So according to this, option C is right. Section 39, the chapter and section of Transfer of Property Act which relates to contract shall be taken as part of Contract Act and supplemental to the Registration Act. It is mentioned under section 4 of this act. Transfer of Property Act has no relation with air, water, light, all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Immovable property. It is defined under section 2. No, I think it is incorrect answer. Charge section 100 correct. Marshalling by subsequent purchaser 56 correct. Mortgage debt 134 correct. Let's move to question number 42. The amendment of Transfer of Property Act 1982 in the year 2002 effective from the correct answer is 31st December 2002. Correct answer. 43. Chapter 2 of Transfer of Property Act shall not be deemed to affect any rule of Mohammedan law is the right answer. The property word is defined in which section of the Transfer of Property Act? The word property is not defined under Transfer of Property, so none of option D is the right answer. Which of the following mode of transfer of property is not covered by Transfer of Property Act 1882? The correct answer is testamentary disposition. And all the three are deal with the TPA Act. Transfer of property is not applicable to gift of movable property, exchange, lease, sales of good पे अप्लाई नहीं होता क्योंकि ये सोगा से डील होता है. Let's move on to section number 47. Which of the following do not convey title? Registered exchange deed, registered will, registered gift deed, and registered sale deed. Registered will do not convey title. In which of the following cases it was held that partition is not a transfer of property? It was dealt under V.N. Sareen versus Ajit Kumar. Let's move on to question number 49. Partition of immovable property is an exchange, a transfer, a gift, none of them. इनमें से कोई भी नहीं. So the correct answer is D. Which of the following which one of the following case is it was held that surrender by tenant is not transferred? It was held under Makhan Lal Saha versus N. Adhikari. So guys, if you like my work, do like, share and subscribe. Thanking and stay tuned for the next part. Thank you.